In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to do the 3D photo trend on TikTok using the app of CapCut. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. First things first, let's head over to CapCut and then tap on New Project and then select a couple of photos that you want to add in the 3D zoom to. Now once you select the pictures, the first thing that you need to do is you need to adjust the length of the photo by dragging, or either you can also split it by tapping on the photo and then tap on split, and then you can remove the unwanted part. Now once that's complete, you simply tap on the photo again, and on the bottom you'll have an option of style. It should be besides animation and delete. You can tap on it. Now once you tap that, you'll need to just scroll on the top and tap on motion, and here you'll have an option of 3D zoom. You can easily tap on it and the 3D zoom effect will be added to your picture. Similarly, there's also an option called 3D Zoom Pro. You can also try that out. And that's how you do it. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also make sure to comment down below what kind of video should we create next. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.